Have you ever noticed that sex or even self-pleasure doesn't feel the same as it used to? Maybe the sensitivity is fading, and you're wondering why. You're not alone. Many men quietly deal with this problem, but almost nobody talks about it. Today, we're uncovering why some men lose penis sensitivity, and more importantly, how to get it back. Stay tuned until the end, because I'll share natural, science-backed methods and resources that can help you restore your confidence, your pleasure, and your love life. Penis sensitivity isn't just about pleasure, it's about performance, intimacy, and even emotional connection. When sensation fades, many men feel disconnected, anxious, and even question their masculinity. Studies show that reduced sensitivity can lead to performance anxiety, delayed arousal, or even weaker erections over time. That's why it's not something to ignore, it's something to understand and fix. As men age, nerve endings naturally become less responsive, and blood flow decreases. This can dull sensations. Constant overstimulation trains the brain to need more friction, more intensity, and more novelty, reducing natural sensitivity. Conditions like diabetes or poor circulation damage nerve endings, making sensation weaker. While protection is important, some men notice reduced sensitivity with frequent condom use or numbing gels. These habits restrict blood flow, lowering sensitivity over time. Mental health directly affects arousal and perception of pleasure. Improve blood flow, exercise, cardio, and pelvic floor exercises. Good circulation equals better sensation. 2. Healthy diet and supplements. Eat foods rich in L-arginine, zinc, magnesium. If you want a step-by-step guide, check out my ebook Nutrition for Optimal Sexual Health in the description. Reduce overstimulation. Limit porn, practice semen retention or mindful masturbation. 4. Mind-body practices. Meditation, yoga, stress management. Reducing stress helps your body reconnect with pleasure. 5. Try sensitivity-enhancing practices. Gentle edging, using warm water, massage oils. 6. Medical checkups. Encourage men to see a doctor for diabetes, circulation, testosterone levels. Here's the good news. Sensitivity loss doesn't have to be permanent. With the right lifestyle changes, mindset, and care, men can reclaim powerful, lasting sensations and reconnect with their partners in a deeper way. If you found value in this video and want to support this channel, consider visiting my donation page. Every contribution helps me keep creating honest, helpful content that men everywhere need. The link is below in the description. And if you're ready to take the next step in boosting your sexual health naturally, check out my ebook, Nutrition for Optimal Sexual Health, or recommended supplements like Aaron Plus. Links are right below. Remember, your health, your confidence, and your manhood truly matter. Thanks for watching Manhood Matters. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real conversations about men's wellness. See you in the next one.